Hi, my name is Maxine Booth and welcome to MPA Rolling Studio. So Lavinia, how did you hear about our MPA Rolling Studio?
I heard about the MPA studio through Facebook. I was just browsing through there and I happened to come across your Facebook page.
And what was your experience like on your first visit?
When I first arrived, I was quite nervous because I didn't know what to expect, but once I got here, the atmosphere was relaxed and very friendly and welcoming.
And exactly what were your concerns in regards to your body that you really wanted to improve on?
My main concerns were the joint pain that I was having, not being physically able to carry even just my own shopping, and also the swollen ankles that I had.
And Lavinia, come on, please tell us your results.
I used to be a size 14 to 16. I'm now a size 12. My swelling has gone down on my body. I actually now take a size 6 shoe, whereas before I was a size 7. Look.